Are you seeking a powerful way to grow your business? Then content marketing is for you. Most marketers have heard of content marketing, yet it can be confusing on how to actually execute a strategy that will deliver big results. But in a world of ad blocking software, consumer privacy concerns, and rising paid ad costs, content marketing is a way to cut through the noise. So let's break down content marketing. Content marketing is a process of creating, publishing, and promoting content to attract an audience that will grow your brand and acquire customers. By creating content that is useful or interesting to target your customer, you can attract them to your brand. The content can answer their questions, establish trust, and eventually lead to a purchase. Content marketing is much bigger than attracting leads and generating sales. It expands to broader goals like brand awareness and establishing thought leadership. Here is an overview of how marketing works at a high level. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step is to decide what you want to accomplish with your content marketing. If you miss this step, you may end up creating a ton of content that doesn't produce results, so it's imperative to define your goals clearly. Here are some examples of goals to think about. Promote a new product or service, attract more of a certain type of customer, address common objections that are preventing sales, gain trust with proof, attract links to your site, rank for large volume keywords. When you define your goals clearly from the beginning, it makes it a lot easier to determine what content needs to be created. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Next, you want to clearly define who you're trying to attract. Create an ideal customer avatar. Some things to consider might be the average age range, financial status, interest, and any other information that can help you market to the right audience. Step 3. Identify their pain points and interest. Once you have decided on your target audience, identify their pain points and interest. Think about the question they have before a purchase. What doubts can you help them overcome? What are common misconceptions about your product or service? After you identify these pain points and questions, you can move on to creating the content. Step 4. Develop a content creation plan. The art of this process is creating content that is engaging but will also drive traffic for your business. Develop a plan so that you can create content consistently and predictably. You'll also need to decide how often you will create the new content and what type of content you will produce. A couple of ways to create content on an ongoing basis include doing keyword research to discover keyword phrases that your target audience is searching for and creating content around those keywords. Monitoring your competitors and creating content based on what performs well for them. Some of your best content ideas might randomly pop into your head, but ideally, you should also have a consistent plan to create content. Step 5. Create a content promotion plan. You also need a plan to promote the content so people will discover and share it. Guest blogging or guest posting, influencer collaboration, social media sharing, and paid ads are a few ways businesses can promote their content. Businesses with content marketing that is effective and consistent will see a rise in traffic. This is a long-term strategy, and those that commit to it will reap the rewards. Content marketing continues to rise in popularity. In fact, an estimated 90% of businesses and organizations use content marketing in their marketing efforts. Well-crafted content engages readers and allows businesses to build trust with potential customers. It also boosts domain authority, which helps websites to rank for keywords that attract paying customers. An investment in content may not result in fast or immediate returns, but traffic, brand awareness, and sales will grow over time if your business is consistent in its content marketing efforts. Why else should businesses get into content marketing? Consumers and businesses have more options than ever before when it comes to making a purchase. With the growth of the internet, small businesses can now attract their own audience, grow their business by creating valuable content. Content can be a great way to reach customers while they are researching your product or service. Content also forms a good foundation for other marketing tactics. People generally don't enjoy being sold to, but they do like being educated and entertained. Effective content can be repurposed into other marketing channels. Once you create a piece of content, you can market it on Google, social media, emails, or turn it into a video. Think of a piece of content as marketing soldiers that will keep working for you 24/7. Are you looking to grow your business in the long term? Be prepared to invest the time and resources to create an effective content marketing strategy and make it a priority. Explore more of the Hoth Learning Hub for additional information on content marketing. The Hoth can help you conduct market research and plan for an effective content strategy. Simply book a free strategy session with us by clicking the link below.